What's up everyone, it's Moneyplug and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of AI that can put some serious cash in your pocket. We're breaking down 3 AI tools that are poised to be absolute game changers in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're a creative mind, a business hustler, or just someone looking to leverage the power of technology, these AI tools are your ticket to the future of earning. So if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind, become your own boss, and explore the exciting world of AI-powered income, then buckle up. Let's unpack these incredible tools and see how they can help you build your financial empire, all from the comfort of your favorite screen. First up, we're kicking things off with a tool that's a game changer for anyone who's ever stared at a blank page with dread. Jasper AI. Jasper AI is your new secret weapon. Think of it as your own personal AI writing assistant working tirelessly behind the scenes to help you craft compelling blog posts, engaging social media captions, persuasive marketing copy, and so much more. It's built on a powerful AI engine that's been trained on a massive data set of human language, allowing it to understand context, tone, and even your specific writing style. That means you're getting content that's not just grammatically correct, but also engaging, persuasive, and tailored to your specific audience. You could offer your content writing services to businesses and individuals who are looking to up their content game. You could start your own blog or online publication and use Jasper AI to pump out high-quality articles that attract a loyal readership. You could even use it to create ebooks, courses, and other digital products that you can sell online. They've got a bunch of different plans to choose from, depending on your needs and budget. The demand for high-quality content is only going up, and with Jasper AI in your corner, you'll be perfectly positioned to capitalize on that demand and turn your writing skills into a lucrative income stream. So ditch the writer's block, say goodbye to those late-night writing sessions, and let Jasper AI take your content creation to the next level. Alright, moving on to our next AI powerhouse, we've got Descript, a tool that's about to revolutionize the way we think about audio and video editing. Imagine this: you can edit your audio and video content as easily as you edit a text document. No more messing around with complicated timelines, confusing effects, or clunky interfaces. Descript makes the entire editing process intuitive, seamless, and dare I say, even enjoyable. Its AI-powered voice cloning capabilities allow you to clone your voice or anyone else's voice and use it to create incredibly realistic voiceovers, narrations, or even entire podcasts. If you're a voiceover artist, you can use Descript to expand your client base and offer a wider range of voices and accents. If you're a podcaster, you can use it to streamline your editing process, improve your audio quality, and even create multiple versions of your podcast with different platforms. And if you're a YouTuber, you can use Descript to create engaging video content with professional-sounding voiceovers, all without breaking the bank on expensive equipment or studio time. They offer a free plan with limited features, as well as paid plans that unlock the full power of the platform. So, whether you're looking to launch your podcasting career, take your YouTube channel to the next level, or simply streamline your audio and video editing workflow, Descript is the tool you need to make it happen. Finally, let's talk about Zapier, the AI tool that's here to automate your work and, more importantly, automate your income. Think of Zapier as the glue that connects all your favorite apps and services. It allows you to create automated workflows called zaps that trigger specific actions across different platforms. So, for example, you could create a zap that automatically saves new email attachments to your Dropbox, or a zap that adds new leads from your website to your CRM. The possibilities with Zapier are pretty much endless, and the time and energy you'll save by automating your repetitive tasks are invaluable. You can offer your Zapier expertise to other businesses and individuals who are looking to streamline their workflows and automate their processes. You can create and sell pre-made zaps that solve specific business problems. You can even build entire businesses around Zapier by creating and managing automated systems for clients. They have a ton of resources and tutorials to help you get up to speed, and their intuitive interface makes it easy to create even complex zaps without any coding experience. So, if you're ready to ditch the tedious tasks, free up your valuable time, and unlock the passive income potential of automation, then Zapier is the tool you need. And there you have it, folks. 3 incredible AI tools that are poised to transform the way we work, create, and earn in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're a writer, a creative, an entrepreneur, or just someone looking to leverage the power of AI to boost your income, these tools are your ticket to a brighter, more profitable future. So don't wait. Start exploring these tools today, unleash your inner tech enthusiast, and watch as your income skyrockets with the help of AI. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep hustling, keep innovating, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.